AS9100 certification, prerequisites and process for aerospace companies. AS9100 certification is the globally recognized quality management standard for the aerospace industry based on the ISO 9001 standard. It addresses specific regulatory requirements, safety demands, and reliability expectations of the aviation, space, and defense sectors. This certification demonstrates an organization's commitment to meeting customer expectations and enhancing product quality and safety. In this article, we will explore the prerequisites and process involved in obtaining AS9100 certification and how it can benefit your organization. AS9100 sets the Quality Management System, QMS, standard specifically for the aerospace industry. It was created by the International Aerospace Quality Group, IAQG, and integrates ISO 9001 with additional requirements for aerospace manufacturers, suppliers, and service providers. Certification ensures compliance with stringent quality standards, promoting consistent, safe, and high-quality products and services. Aerospace is a high-risk industry where quality, reliability, and safety are non-negotiable. AS9100 certification helps organizations meet these challenges by streamlining operations, reducing defects, and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. It also improves supplier-customer relationships and opens doors to new business opportunities. Before starting the certification process, companies must meet certain prerequisites to ensure readiness. AS9100 builds on ISO 9001, so companies must first establish an effective ISO 9001-based QMS. Key principles such as customer focus, leadership, risk-based thinking, and continuous improvement are critical foundations. We have a great ISO 9001 audit checklist for your gap analysis. So in case you want to assess your current system and understand the gap areas, this will come in handy. Additional requirements specific to AS9100 include product safety, counterfeit parts prevention, configuration management, and risk management. Companies need to integrate these elements into their processes. We recommend using AS9100 compliant quality management software for this. Train all employees in AS9100 requirements and ensure that management makes the workforce understand the importance of compliance and quality in aerospace manufacturing. For training, the same quality management software can be used. It will make your job easy and also plays a vital role from a compliance standpoint, especially ISO 9001 Clause 7.2 competence. Organizations must have documented procedures in place for key processes such as production, testing, procurement, and customer service. This documentation will be thoroughly reviewed during audits. Documents are the most talked about points for most standards, including ISO 9001. For all documents, an ISO 9001, AS9100 compliant document management software is crucial. Conducting internal audits helps identify potential gaps in your QMS before a certification audit. Corrective actions must be taken to address any nonconformities identified during the internal audits. The certification process typically follows these steps. A gap analysis is a comprehensive review of your existing QMS to identify any discrepancies between your processes and the requirements of AS9100. This step helps pinpoint areas that need improvement before undergoing the formal certification audit. For example, check the table in the blog for a gap analysis example. We suggest having an in-depth gap analysis, and for that you can use the gap analysis format we have. Feel free to download and use. Once the gaps are identified, organizations must work to align their processes with AS9100 requirements. This may involve updating procedures, introducing new documentation, enhancing risk management practices, or training staff. Having an efficient system in place for implementation is crucial, otherwise, it can quickly turn into a never-ending cycle of revisions and adjustments. As outlined in the provided gap analysis, here's how you can streamline the process. For Section 4.1, while creating documents is relatively straightforward, it's essential to host those documents in a centralized repository so that all authorized users can access them seamlessly. In Section 4.4, you'll need to develop an entire process map manually. However, with an AS9100 compliant system, most of the framework is pre-configured. You would only need to make minor customizations and upload relevant items, such as parts and vendor details. For Section 5.1, although it may seem like a general requirement, it's critical for certification. Commitment is one thing, but proving it is another. This is where robust quality management software becomes invaluable. Below are images showcasing various features of an AS9100 compliant QMS, specifically Isolocity QMS, highlighting key components crucial for certification and compliance. Conduct an internal audit after implementation to ensure that the QMS complies with AS9100 standards. Management should also perform a formal review to evaluate the system's performance and confirm that objectives are being met. Some of the advanced QMSs, like Isolocity, have a built-in audit module that is connected to all other modules. This can be really useful for such internal audits. Here are some popular certification bodies that can help you. PJR, Perry Johnson Registrars. PJR provides AS9100 certification and is well regarded for its auditing services across various sectors, including aerospace. Bureau Veritas, known for its expertise in various industries, Bureau Veritas provides AS9100 certification and auditing services, with a focus on quality management in aerospace. TV Rhineland, this certification body provides AS9100 certification and is recognized for its commitment to quality and safety in the aerospace and defense sectors. To initiate the formal certification process, organizations must select an accredited certification body that is approved to perform AS9100 audits. These certification bodies conduct the external audit and issue the certificate upon successful completion. The certification body will first conduct a Stage 1 audit, focusing on reviewing your organization's documentation and ensuring it complies with AS9100 standards. This audit also assesses your organization's preparedness for the Stage 2 audit. The Stage 2 audit involves an on-site visit where the certification body will thoroughly evaluate the implementation of your QMS. Auditors will review processes, interview staff, and assess compliance with AS9100. Any nonconformities identified must be addressed within a specified time frame. If the audit is successful, the certification body will issue the AS9100 certificate, confirming that your organization meets the Aerospace QMS standard. This certificate is valid for 3 years, with surveillance audits conducted annually. After receiving certification, organizations must continuously monitor and improve their QMS to maintain compliance. Regular internal audits, management reviews, and ongoing employee training are essential. Additionally, organizations must pass annual surveillance audits to retain their certification status. Achieving AS9100 certification offers a multitude of benefits for aerospace companies. Increased market opportunities. Certification opens doors to new contracts with aerospace manufacturers, suppliers, and defense organizations that require AS9100 compliance. Improved product quality and safety. Implementing stringent quality controls results in fewer defects, greater safety, and improved reliability of products. Enhanced customer confidence. Certification demonstrates your commitment to quality, building trust and confidence with your customers. Operational efficiency. AS9100 helps streamline operations, reduce waste, and optimize processes, leading to cost savings and improved productivity. AS9100, General the foundation QMS for aerospace based on ISO 9001, with some additional industry-specific requirements. It sets the base for quality and compliance, but without more advanced risk-based thinking or specific safety counterfeit parts management. AS9100C, an improved version based on ISO 9001 to 2008, introducing risk management in specific processes, configuration management, and greater supplier oversight. However, it still lacks comprehensive risk-based thinking in specific product safety or counterfeit prevention measures. AS9100D, the most recent version aligned with ISO 9001:2015, featuring extensive upgrades. Risk-based thinking covering all processes. New requirements for product safety and counterfeit parts prevention. Greater emphasis on leadership involvement and the context of the organization. More streamlined documentation and greater flexibility in maintaining documented information. AS9100D builds significantly on the previous versions, adding critical elements like safety, risk management, and leadership responsibility, making it the most robust version in the series. Check the tabular representation of difference in the blog between these three. AS9100 certification is a crucial step for aerospace companies looking to demonstrate their commitment to quality, safety, and customer satisfaction. While the certification process requires time, effort, and investment, the long-term benefits outweigh the initial challenges. By adhering to the prerequisites and following the outlined certification process, your organization can achieve AS 9100 certification and gain a competitive edge in the aerospace industry. Looking for an efficient way to implement and maintain an AS 9100 compliant QMS? Isolocity QMS offers a seamless platform to help streamline your processes, conduct audits, manage documentation, and ensure compliance with aerospace standards. Contact us today to learn more about how our system can help you achieve AS 9100 certification with ease.